Imagine a factory so enormous that it feels like an entire city, a place where thousands of cars are built every single day. From the outside, it looks impossible to understand its true size. But behind these walls, thousands of people in advanced machines. Every car begins with raw materials. Giant rolls of steel arrive, weighing several tons, ready to become the body of tomorrow's vehicles. Powerful laser-guided machines cut each piece with incredible precision. Even a tiny mistake could affect the entire vehicle. Next comes stamping. Machines with tremendous force transform flat sheets of steel into doors, roofs, and body panels within seconds. Now the robots take over. Hundreds of robotic arms weld the car's frame with speed, consistency, and remarkable accuracy. Watching them is like seeing a perfectly synchronized orchestra, except every movement is controlled by advanced automation. While the body moves forward, engines, suspensions, and chassis are prepared separately, each waiting for the perfect moment to come together. Then comes one of the most satisfying moments of the entire process, when the body meets the chassis and a real car finally begins to take shape. But this is only the beginning. Ahead lies painting, electronics, quality testing, and the final journey before these vehicles reach roads across the world. The body now enters one of the cleanest areas in the factory, the paint shop. Here, robotic sprayers apply After painting, each vehicle passes through carefully controlled curing ovens. This process helps the finish become strong, durable, and ready for years of daily use. Now the car begins to come alive. Wiring, digital displays, and the dashboard are installed with remarkable precision by skilled workers and advanced tools. One of the most important moments has arrived. The engine is carefully aligned and connected, turning the vehicle from a shell into a machine built for movement. Piece by piece, the interior takes shape. Seats, steering wheel, safety systems, and trim are added until the cabin is ready for its future driver. Even the windshield is installed with robotic precision. Specialized adhesive creates a secure seal that helps protect passengers in everyday driving. Before moving forward, every vehicle is inspected by advanced cameras and sensors that check hundreds of details in just moments. Technology does most of the inspection, but experienced technicians perform detailed checks to help ensure every vehicle meets the factory's quality standards.
Before a single car reaches the road, its key systems are tested in a controlled environment.
Confirm they are operating as intended.
From raw steel to a finished automobile, the transformation is extraordinary. But the journey isn't over. Many factories also perform controlled driving tests, allowing engineers to confirm that the vehicle responds smoothly before it reaches customers. The scale is breathtaking. Thousands of finished vehicles wait together, creating a view that looks more like a city than a parking lot.
The finish is flawless on the passenger side.
Rear alignment checks out green.
Electronics test passed. Let's send it through.
Every day, specialized transport trucks begin delivering these vehicles to dealerships and distribution centers across different regions. Rail transport also plays a major role, moving large numbers of vehicles efficiently over long distances. For international markets, many vehicles continue their journey by sea, traveling across oceans before reaching customers around the world. It's incredible to think that just hours earlier, these vehicles began as simple sheets of steel. Precision, teamwork, and advanced.
Behind every vehicle is a combination of engineering, automation, skilled workers, and carefully planned production systems working together every day.
Standing above this enormous facility, it's easy to understand why factories like these are considered among the greatest achievements of modern manufacturing. From raw materials to the open road, every vehicle tells a story of innovation, precision, and teamwork.